Number 19. McKaylee had 3 different sizes of charms. 5/6 centimeter, 3/4 centimeters, and 2/3 centimeters. Which model does not represent one of these sizes? So 5/6, 3/4, 2/3. Which model does not represent one of these sizes? So that means that 5/6 is going to be represented here, 3/4 is going to be represented here, and 2/3 is going to be represented here. And I want to find the one that is not being represented. So my answer choice is not going to be 5/6, it's not going to be 3/4, and it's not going to be 2/3. Okay? So let's look at letter A. This represents 2/4. Do I have 2/4 on one of these? No, I don't. I'm going to keep going. This represents 2/3. 2/3 is represented. This one represents 5/6. 5/6 is one of the different size of charms. So that is being represented. 3/4 is being represented. That is one of the sizes of her charms. So the correct answer for this problem is letter A.